All right, so when your car comes here for an oil change and you got advice, your ball joint have a play, please take it seriously. Otherwise, you're gonna end up towing your car like this. So right here, this is a broken ball joint with a CV axle on it and also the broken line. So this thing gonna be close to $1,000. The ball joint by itself was almost a bill or $200 with labor. So this customer end up paying more, like 5 more times. I request to all my customers and other viewers, if your mechanic advice, there's a play in your front end somewhere, both of the axles, take it serious, do not drive it. This car got broken down right in the middle of the intersection and there was no way to take it apart. And this customer, they wait for an hour to get the tow because that was a snowstorm day. So do not do this. If your car got any notification by your professional mechanic, just take it serious, bring your car. We'll happy to help you out. And that's it for this one. Move to the next car. All right, so finally we did half of the way on this beautiful 2012 Range Rover 5-liter supercharged. This is going to be insane once it's going to be all wrapped up because we are going to do it in a two-tone. So that's a gloss black here and that's a forged carbon. So it's going to be mix and match. You're going to love it. And this is going to be the first one in London in this style of wrapping stuff. And the other hand, we have this beautiful 2015 BMW 335. That's our regular clients. And we are going to perform an oil change on this one and a couple other mandatory services, which includes the fluids on this car, plus the tires. So customer have a request. They want to change the rims, not the tires. So they want the tires remain on the newer rims. So we're going to have newer, good-looking rims they're going to put for the summer. If you guys do want to put any of the summer tires, because summer is almost on the way, give us a call, book your appointments. We are happy to help you out. We have a wide range of tires. If you want all-season tire, summer tires, we have in stock. And other thing is on this car especially is this is a lower car. So we previously worked on this car on the suspension thing. If you guys do have any of the BMWs and you want to work on your suspension thing, you can give us a call. There's no code on the call. You have to bring your car in person, except the oil change. Everything else has to be in person to give you any of the prizes. We got a lot of calls with N20 and 52 chain problems. We can't give you any of the prizes unless we see your engine. So you have to put the money for 2-3 hours labor to dig up the top to see what exactly condition of your chain is. Then we can give you any estimate. It all depends how much you want to put on your engine to make it run back reliable. Hit us. On to the next car. All right, so we got this beautiful 2017 BMW. That's a diesel engine. Just to let my user knows, if you guys do have any of the BMW diesels, we repair that. We do the mandatory services. As this customer, he came up for a mandatory fluid changes. That's what we fix it on this one. And just to let you know, if you have any of the oil changes done on your BMW diesel, they take a specific oil. They don't take the regular gasoline oil, which is on the shelf of other local stores. Whenever you buy any of the oil, motor oil for any of the diesel engines, it's a specific. Do some shop around, do some Google to get the information what exactly your car takes. As this customer came it here for third time with the mandatory services because they see a lot of videos with the Liquimoli and they know we exactly put the right spec oil. So if you guys have any of the BMW, bring it to us. Hi guys, so we got 3 different jobs. Before than that, I just want a suggestion from my audience. I got the 2 different styles on my CLS. This one is authentically comes with a CLS. It's a 19 inches staggered ones, and this one I'm planning to put it because I got this with a car. If you guys think I need to put some other color on the tires, we can powder coat those ones. But these ones, they are matte black, and the car is a gloss black with a dual forged carbon color. So it's a two-tone color. You see here, it's a forged carbon. That's the regular black, and the roof is also the same. Even on the trims, if you talk about these trims, they are also forged carbon. So that's for my car. Other one, we got this beautiful 2012. It's a Audi A4, 2-liter TFSI, most common with timing chains. This comes with a bad knock on it, and we are going to perform a rebuild on this one. And our client just waiting patiently because the parts on this one, they are away for 2 weeks now. So we just order it, and this car is right here. It barely starts, shake like a hell. That's for this one. And the other one, we got this one, beautiful X3. We just did the engine work in October, I think. And now that's a ZF transmission. Just a poor maintenance on fluids lead to a transmission stuck. So it's stuck on the 6th gear. It's not going in a park, reverse, anywhere. So it got towed here, and this is the next job. ZF transmission need to be replaced. And finally, we got this beautiful 2018 Escape 1.5 liter all-wheel drive. So this came in for a different problem. Came from another shop. They changed the transmission fluid, and they excessively put the over, and the result comes in the torque converter seal got broken, weighed out from inside. So right now, when they start it up, the torque converter side, it's just draining like a hell. So if you guys do have any of the similar problems, major problems, give us a call, book your appointment. On to the next car. All right, guys, so we got 3 minis. First time, one is inside, that's 2016 Mini Cooper sedan. That's here for a clutch. And second one is 2008. This is here because it's not starting, it's just igniting, but didn't start it up. So we need to check what's happening with it. This customer is from 5 years with us. And I think so, the fuel pump on this one is gone because car is cranking, but not starting. We checked the compression, it's okay on this one. So final test for the pump is left. That's what we're going to do it. Rather than that, everything is good on this car. Also, this car needed new tires. So the customer, they're going to provide us the rim. They want the fancy rims on this one because the color is too good on this one. And we got the second Mini here. This is 2011, I think. So this is the same thing. This came up with a cylinder 2 misfire. And we're going to check it out what's happening with the car. This was here like a month and a half ago for an oil change. That's the first time this customer came in. So today it got towed like this. So both of the cars, they towed up like this. This was towed like 2 hours ago. This was just now. So they just towed in this way. So we have to push it back to put it in the shop. Third Mini. So 3 Minis a time. If you guys do have any of the Mini Coopers, BMWs, and you have a recent motors, B46, B38, we can work on those ones. No problem. Give us a call, book your appointment, move to the next car. So here's the pain in ass thing on this beautiful Range Rover 2017 3-liter supercharged. Right now we have a 2 supercharged in the house. This is 2017 3-liter, and the one you see on that side, that's 5-liter 2012. Both are supercharged. So this customer is a regular client, and it's here for a cranking noise when they just driving more than 70. They hearing some humming plus cranking sound. So when we see the bearing was partially damaged, and the tone wheel from the back of the bearing was up in the air making noises, and we are going to replace it with the OEM part. So let me tell you guys, if you want to put any of the bearings on your Range Rovers, it's not easy. It's almost 4 hours on each side. So go with the OEM one every time because they are the best ones. There you're going to find a lot of aftermarket ones, cheaper price. But if you're willing to pay 3-hour labor of any of after 2-3 months, if they got same problem, then it's fine. If you don't want to pay, you want to pay just one time to make it fix, worth it on the road, go with the OEM one. That's what we did. It come with a tone wheel on the back. It's secured with a plastic cap. Also, it comes with this washer on the top. So if you have any Range Rovers and you want any bearing replacement, hit us up, book your appointment. On to the next car. This beautiful 2016 Subaru BRZ. It's pretty common to the Toyota 86. So this is came with an insane knock. At this customer refers like when they were starting in a cold start, and they was trying to move it from the parking, and suddenly it started shaking real bad, and the engine light comes in, it's blinking up. So right now when we start it up, it have a clinking noise right underneath. Pretty commonly, they are famous with connecting rods failure or spun bearing. We don't know yet, and this is something we're going to do the coming week project. It's going to be total rebuild from top to bottom. If you guys do have any of the Subarus, we specialize in it. It's a boxer engine, and we're going to make a rebuild on this one. Stay tuned, subscribe, press the bell icon.